Tracy with WTI. We just had an outdoor family field day, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it probably wouldn't have been as much fun if we didn't have these burlap bags from Sandbaggy. They were a huge hit. We got the pack of 8 in the large size, and everyone was so excited to participate in the potato sack race game. And I was so impressed with how strong and durable these are built. So they're made out of 100% natural jute. So I love that there's no synthetic material. So even if you wanted to use these to store your food or for gardening purposes, these will be perfect because they're completely safe to do that. And we love the large size. These are 24 inches wide by 40 inches long. So if you're using these for sack race games, I think these are a wonderful size for any individual. We even use these for a 3-legged race, and everyone had so much fun. They're definitely built extremely strong. You can tell that the fibers are woven very tightly together, making them extra sturdy and durable. It's stitched very nicely. We had multiple different age groups and different size people jumping around in these bags, and we were never ever once afraid that it was going to break open or tear from the bottom. So if you're also planning a family fun day, you will not go wrong with these burlap bags, and that's my point of view.